This is Spirea Anthony Water. There's a lot of different spireas out here. I particularly like this one. It is very hardy, doesn't have a lot of pests or disease problems. A lot of people in the United States can use this shrub in their landscape because it's like zones 3 through 8. One thing to note though, it is deciduous, which means it loses its leaves and you'll have all these nice sticks in the winter. It will get tall, 5 feet round, but I keep these cut. In fact, they were all up above this fence this spring, and I said, it's time for you to be cut, so I cut them all before the leaves appeared this spring. And now look at all the gorgeous blooms on them. They will keep blooms on them most of the summer. When it gets really, really hot, they won't. They'll stop blooming so much, but then when it gets cooler out, the blooms come back again. They like lots of different conditions. They like really wet soil, and they can take some drying too. The Spirea like sun, they like shade. They'll bloom better when they have a lot of sun. And this, even though it's shady now, this gets very hot afternoon sun, and that's why they are blooming so well. They are a wonderful plant for the landscape.